Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create your first standard display network campaign. So to create your first network campaign, you need to log into your Google Ad account and proceed to create a new campaign with one of the two buttons. Then we proceed to choose the target. For the purpose of the blog article, we decide on a campaign without using any hints about the goal to have the whole set of options. Next step, to choose the campaign type and the subtype. We're gonna set up the standard display campaign today, therefore I choose the middle option. When you choose all the settings, then press continue. So in the next stage, we enter the name of our campaign, we set the geographic location and the language. As a next step, we will choose the bidding options. There is many of bidding type Google display campaign can offer us. But if we set up the campaign for the first time, I suggest to select the bidding strategy manually. And to pick between manual CPC, so you can set up your own cost per click and have full control over the bid. Or if there is new product, for example, you would like to advertise to the brand new audience, I would choose the viewable CPM strategy to pay for every 1,000 impressions. Moving down, we will see the field we would like to enter our daily budget we would like to spend in our campaign. We also notice at the very bottom the button that is used to display additional settings. After clicking the additional setting button, we will get the various of options that will allow us to refine and implement the following settings. Ads scheduled to appear, selection of devices, which our ads can be displayed, the period which the campaign is to start and have the specific dates for this activity. We can exclude the content if we don't want ads to appear. We can limit the number of the times the ads will be seen by the user. We can set up the conversion settings and dynamic ad settings if you want to set up dynamic ad as well. When we finish with the additional settings, the next stage is to create the ad group name. Next, we will choose the audience whom we would like to target our ads, the content to which the ad should appear, and the extension of the targeting range. And we proceed. The next step, we would like to establish the CPC for our newly created ad group with the CPM-based model. We determine the maximum amount we want to pay for thousands of views of our ads. And in the next stage, we will create our first ad. So to create the ad, we must have some image files with the dedicated dimensions which are required by Google. We can also use the stock image if there is any, or images we recently used if we used any images in our previous campaigns. So it is important that our logo or any other images we're using have the specified by Google dimensions to be properly shown. As a next stage, we will add the headline. It's always good to add more than one to test which will work best for our campaign. We'll add the short headline, long headline, description, also the final URL, and the business name. On the right, we can see how the campaign will look on devices, different devices and different part of the websites where our ad will be shown. When we finish updating our headlines, descriptions, and all the information, then we have to press the button to create a campaign. And our campaign is set and completed.